Welcome, explorers, to the enchanting world of weird statues in Japanese culture. Today, we unravel the mysteries behind these uniquely intriguing sculptures that dot the vibrant tapestry of Japan. What makes them weird? Let's dive into the heart of Japanese culture, a realm that's not just diverse but also home to incredible works of art. In a land where tradition and innovation dance in harmony, these statues defy expectations. They are the whimsical storytellers of Japanese culture, each one a celebration of creativity that extends beyond the conventional norms. Join us as we navigate the fascinating why behind their weirdness. Japan, with its rich heritage, unfolds a cultural canvas that is as diverse as it is awe-inspiring. From ancient traditions to modern eccentricities, the weird statues scattered across this nation are a testament to the boundless creativity that springs from the heart of Japanese artistry. Behold the beauty etched into these peculiar wonders. Each curve, each detail, is a brushstroke in the masterpiece that is Japanese culture. The weirdness is not just an aesthetic choice, it's a deliberate expression that invites us to question, appreciate, and delve deeper into the layers of artistic diversity. In just over a minute, we've scratched the surface of the weird yet wonderful world of Japanese statues. Join the conversation on the cultural richness and unexpected beauty that these statues bring to life. Stay tuned for more insights into the incredible stories that weave through the artistry of Japan. As we conclude this exploration, let the weird statues of Japanese culture inspire a deeper appreciation for the artistry that knows no bounds. Subscribe for more journeys into the heart of diverse cultures and the treasures they hold. Until next time, keep exploring the extraordinary in the everyday.